G'day! In today's video I'm opening up this Verbatim, that's a hard word to say, Store and Go 1TB SSD. As we can see, it's a USB 3.2 Gen 1, and I'm curious about here, USB-C to USB-A cable and adapter. Now there is a hint. I have opened it, I've unboxed it and looked at it briefly and put it back in, but I did not look at it for too long. So supposedly we need Windows 10, Mac OS 10.4, also compatible USB 2, that's very nice of them. But getting in here to the main event, which is the thing that I saw that was very odd, apart from Nero on the box. Getting in here, look at this. What is going on here? This left me very confused. At first I thought this was a USB micro, but now it's actually making a little bit more sense. So getting in there, we have some fancy looking design to it. Curved edge, smooth, or sharp edge, smoothed. So there's really not much to it. Very light indeed. We have Type C up here. And I think I can feel a screw hole maybe. But I'd be very surprised if this has any screws in it. Putting that off to the side, what else do we get in here? Really not much. We have a bit of paperwork. It's not exciting, it's not fun, but it's here. This is where it left me slightly confused. We have a Type C, we have USB-A, and we have a Type C, or USB-A to Type C. I'm curious if there'd be much performance loss utilizing this as opposed to a straight Type C cable, but I'm not going to go that in depth in there. The thing that left me confused was I initially thought it was going to be a micro B to USB-A, and then this was going to be a micro B to C adapter. But no, it is not. It makes a lot more logical sense that it's a C to an A and then an A to a C. Anyway, the included cables here should get you connected up to pretty much any computer that you're required to. The speed of it, what do we got on here? The speed of it here, now, what is it here? Up to 5,000 megabits, not megabytes. There is a difference in speed there. You won't be getting 5,000 megabytes. That would be pretty crazy for the price of these. This I have not seen in years though. Nero backup software. I haven't used Nero for probably 20 plus years now. Certainly not going to be starting today, especially with this. This is just getting used for a straight data dump off a failing hard drive to something that's a bit cheap and also a bit faster. This suits that bill pretty much spot on. I think I paid around 70 Australian dollars with this on special. So for 1 terabyte, more than happy for that. Anyway, I thought that was going to be slightly more wackier with one of these. But anyway, that's what we see here. Catch you guys later. Bye.